How to reset your YouTube feed. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your YouTube recommendations by clearing your YouTube watch history. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Now tap Manage All History. Wait for the activity page to load, then tap Controls at the top. Scroll down and select Manage History. Next, tap Delete and choose Delete All Time. Review the information, then tap Delete to confirm. Once your history has been deleted, return to YouTube and refresh your home feed. Keep in mind that clearing your history can affect your future recommendations, so YouTube may take some time to personalize your feed again. And that's it. You've successfully reset your YouTube feed by clearing your watch history. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful YouTube tips and tutorials.